Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about if your Toyota app is not working, so how to fix it. So here we have the Toyota app. So the first thing I want you to actually do to check if your Toyota app is up to date. So you have to search your Toyota app. Depending on your country, it's going to be different. So when you check out, so here all you have to do is update this to the newest version, because sometimes they will have maintenance with their servers, and they will have app updates which will be obsolete when you didn't update yet. So update it and see if that works. So second is go into your settings, general storage, and then try to just clear the cache if you're using an Android, or basically try to actually just offload the application right here and try logging in again and try to install it from there. So reset your settings from there. And lastly, all you have to do is check your vehicle. Make sure your vehicle has been driven within the last 7 days and in an open area with a good network signal so that it will be detected. You also have to align the barcode when you're scanning the VIN number in your Toyota app, basically. So there you go, guys. These are the fixes for your Toyota app, which is not working.